What kind of drink is this?
So they don't have nitro cold brew, but this is a regular cold brew with a splash of vanilla. No, sorry, let me redo that. I gotta memorize this. It is a cold brew with a splash of coconut milk, 3 pumps sugar-free vanilla, 1 pump of caramel syrup.
Cheers.
All right, we're here at 427.
Sure are. Toronto. Geronimo.
I'm excited to go meet Jessica and the rest of the team and see what they're all about.
It's a large operation.
That's what I hear, and it looks like it from the outside. We haven't been inside.
Jessica?
Yeah.
I'm David.
Nice to meet you.
Dean. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Jessica. I'm Erin.
Hi, yes, I recognize you from the video. Nice to meet you.
So I'm thinking we should probably start them off with a quick tour,
Sure, yeah.
and then we'll have to pick the best entrance to bring in the equipment and stuff. I think it's parked in front of the Mercedes store.
All right, yeah, that's what my dad was saying. Yeah, we can go through there.
Yeah, probably do that.
That will be the easiest.
Cool.
Yeah, let's go in.
Here, and we are here at 427 Collision. That's right outside of downtown Toronto. We got to take a little road trip this weekend to come see this incredible shop. And in the Supercell, we have the fixed line that has just the Spraytron, and here we get to see the Symach fixed line that actually has the Combitron, and I'm so excited to see how it's made their shop more efficient and the repairs a better quality for the customer. So I am here with Nick D'Alessandro from 427 Collision. First, I wanted to ask you, how did you get into the collision industry?
I grew up around this business. When I was a kid, I used to run through the shop. You know, it was a really big family thing. So, you know, when I went to school, I did a lot of other stuff like finance and operations. But I think I realized at one point that it was just important for me to be here with my family, you know, try and move things forward with them. And, you know, it's really enjoyable being with them. So that really drove me to be into the industry.
So when was it that you decided that you needed to bring the Symach system here in your shop?
Yeah, you know what? I know my dad was really interested when Osvaldo first started basically prototyping the system and bringing it over to Canada. a friend of ours has the system, and we definitely saw that there were a lot of benefits to having something that could speed up the paint cycle, which has been the bottleneck in the body shop industry for years.
Sure. So in our supercell at Classic in Menor, Ohio, we have the fly dry system and the Spraytron, and this is the first time for me actually seeing the Combitron in action, which it's unreal. I mean, you guys have to have so many cycles a day.
Yeah, you know what? It really does depend on the job size, but when we have small jobs, we can run anything from 18 to 20 cycles through this thing. It really is about the way you manage the system too, but we love the fact that there's two different rooms where one you can dry the car and then you can continue spraying in the other. Like, it seems like a simple idea, but in reality it again saves probably half the amount of time, because usually when you had to leave the car in the booth and let it dry, now you can put it into a new section and continue spraying a new car or a new panel. So, you know, you're really pushing the limits on the amount of time you can save in this process, and that's really what I love about the system. It allows you to pretty much have the control over how many cars you do in a day, right? It's whatever you're willing to push through. If you're willing to work hard and make sure the work is there and put it through the booth, there's unlimited potential.
So we are wrapping up the day here Saturday, and about to go home soon, which I'm sad. I wish we had more time here because this place is so incredible. It's such a large facility, amazing operation, and I'm so glad I got to get to know the owners of 427, and it was awesome to make those connections and see the Combitron fixed line for the first time, and I'm so excited to see what this can do for us at DCR Systems. And all around, it's been an amazing trip, and I can't wait to get back here. So thank you all again for watching. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, and we will see you next time.